Two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. There are two angles labeled, and one of them is x. To solve for x, use the properties of parallel lines cut by a transversal. The first place to start is with this angle. This angle is vertical to this angle. Vertical angles are congruent to each other, so that means that this is a 75-degree angle. Next, notice that this angle, x, and this 75-degree angle are same-side interior angles. The property of same-side interior angles is that they are supplementary, so x plus 75 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So now we can solve an equation. 75 degrees plus x equals 180 degrees. So we subtract 75 degrees from both sides of the equation. This gets rid of this 75 degrees, and solving for x, we get that x is equal to 105 degrees.